Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start the motor replacement process for your Dyson V10, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T15 driver. Make sure your vacuum is unplugged before beginning any repairs. First, you'll need to remove the dust canister from the vacuum. This is easily done by pressing the release button and lifting it off. Next, locate the screws on the main body of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws carefully, placing them in a safe spot for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, gently separate the main body from the motor housing. Be cautious as there may still be wiring connected. If you're unsure about the wiring, take a moment to take a picture for reference. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the support you need. With the main body removed, you'll see the motor assembly. Use your Torx T15 driver to remove the screws holding the motor in place. Once these screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Before installing the new motor, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the area. A soft brush or compressed air works wonders here. Now, take your new motor and carefully place it into the housing. Make sure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Replace the screws using the Torx T15 driver to secure the motor. It's essential to ensure they are tightened properly to avoid any vibration during use. Next, reconnect any wiring that was detached earlier. If you need assistance, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Once all connections are secure, carefully reattach the main body of the vacuum. Align it properly and push it back into place. Replace the Phillips screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are fastened tightly. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the slot and pressing down until it clicks into place. At this point, it's a good idea to test your vacuum before calling it a day. If you notice any issues or need a professional quote before repair, we are here to help with our services. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V10 vacuum. Keeping your vacuum in top shape not only extends its life but also ensures optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.